Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on today's video I am introducing you to two out of a few other new colors that SheModern has come out with for their foil arts. These particular ones are the water decals, okay? But the two that I have here are two new colors. This one is the light pink. Let me move it in the light so you can see the shimmer on that, and maybe you can tell it appears almost like a rose gold, but she also does have rose gold as an option, so it'll be interesting to see it next to this one to see the difference. But yes, this one is the light pink that I chose in these pretty little flowers, and then the light green. Isn't that pretty? And so of course I got the leaves for the light green. And I'm gonna go, so as far as the other colors that I already mentioned the rose gold. There is a gold matte too. You already see me showing you the matte silver. I saw orange, but I can't remember if the orange is a new one or if it was there before. And then the light pink and the light green. So yes, these are new. You'll have to go check them out. Very pretty colors. And I'm going to go ahead and do a mani using both of these. I think I'm going to try to do a gradient using these two colors right here. The yellow by Zoya, it's called Daisy. And this one is from Charming Charlie's. I don't know if any of you guys have those stores around the malls in your area, but I love that store. I call it like a Claire's for grown-ups. This one, it's called, let's see, Moneymaker. And they both have a bit of a shimmer background, so I'm going to see how that goes with the decal. Oh yes, the foil decals. And on my nails, I'm not sure which order of my videos are going to go up. You might have seen I don't know if you might have already seen the video where I already done these. But on my nails, I have, this is a natural color of a dip powder that I did as I'm using as an overlay for my nails. So I am going to start with the gradient right, yes, I think I'm going to do it right over this. So let me get started with that, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here is the final result after top coat, in my final top coat and cleanup. What do you guys think? I think it turned out super cute. I really liked how I mean, I wasn't sure from the beginning which way I was going to go with this, with the leaf placements, but I like the look here of, like, I first thought, oh, maybe I will go ahead and draw the stem. No, I went ahead and left it like that. I like that artsy look of the suspended flowers and leaves. What do you guys think? I would like to thank SheModern for sending me these beautiful foil water decals to play with. And I will have links down in the description bar below so you guys will know where to find them and check out the new colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.